Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tian, and in this video I'm going to talk about data types in JavaScript. So there's a number of data type that we work in JavaScript. So these are string, then we have number, boolean, we have null, then undefined, we have array, object, then function. So string is anything that is a word. If you wanna say my name is Tian, well, your name is not Tian, my name is Tian. So if I wanna store that value in A and say my name is Tian, then this is a string. You don't see the output over here because I haven't console logged that, but this is a string, and if I wanna have this output over here, I can just simply write CLG, hit the tab button and write A, press save, and you can see over here my name is Tian. So this is a string. Next, number. So number you know already. Let's store the number in B, and this is a number. So you don't have to use this when you are dealing with a number. You can just write the number and that will be good to go. So boolean is a true or false value. So either it can be true or either it can be false. So that is the boolean value. So let's store that value in C. Suppose C is equal to true. So this is a boolean value. Null and identified, these don't contain any value. So when you are just keeping something empty, you can just use null. So yeah, array is something when you store inside these. So let's just have const d and let's have an array. Let's have an array like this, and here I want to have some names like Tian, then avatar, then Roku. So I was a huge fan of Avatar the Last Airbender, and I just came up with that. There was Roku and there was Katara. It was one of my favorite show actually. So yeah, this is an array that I stored in D. So yeah, then a function can be like this, function, and you can give the function a name. So I can just give it the name Ang. Ang is the name of the avatar of that cartoon series show that I used to watch. So I just want to say CLG, and here I want to say Ang is the last avatar. So that's what I want to say, and if I just write here Ang like this, you can see Ang is the last avatar. So make this, I can just make this small letter. So you can see over here Ang is the last avatar. So this is basically pretty much the data type that you will be using when you are coding in JavaScript. So yeah, that's basically it.